Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the workspace and tools ready, because a controlled setup prevents damage. First, remove any glide pads to expose hidden screws. Once done, unscrew using the correct bit and place screws in labeled groups. You should power the mouse off and disconnect it. If cordless, remove the battery. Use a plastic pry tool at seams and work around the chassis slowly so clips don't snap. This step sets the stage for safe shell separation and later reassembly. Once the shell loosens, you'll encounter ribbon cables and the PCB. Document their orientation with photos before disconnecting so you can reverse the process. Carefully unclip or desolder connectors if the design requires. Make sure you're grounded to avoid static damage. Transfer the scroll wheel, switches, and any damping foam into the replacement shell, aligning the sensor aperture precisely so tracking remains accurate. Test fit the top and bottom to confirm button plungers. You finish by reversing the disassembly. Reconnect ribbons, reseat the PCB, and close the shell while aligning clips, then reinstall screws in their original positions to avoid stress. Power the mouse and perform a step-by-step test. Move pointer. Click every button, scroll, and check DPI across surfaces for 10 to 15 minutes to verify performance. If you see erratic tracking or stuck buttons, reopen and inspect sensor alignment, loose connectors, or trapped debris. Those are the most common causes of failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.